Hello traders, welcome back to Pitch Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame and mark their support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, November 4th. At 6 AM we have medium impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 3 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And around 6 PM we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. And we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. We have 3 consecutive news, so requesting you to be careful while trading at these hours. Again at 7:30 PM we have medium impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs and USD related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I've drawn a resistance line over here, and from this resistance line we can notice that the current price action is under a consolidation within this resistance line or a trend line and the support line. We can notice that the price action has tested this support level of 1615 in the past and bounced back on the bullish side retracement. It has tested again, and on the third time also it has come near to this support level, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So based on the past price action, we can understand that this level is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. And when we look at the current trend of the price action within this consolidation, I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line. We can notice that price action tried to break this resistance line. It couldn't succeed, and we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. And in the past also we can notice that it had respected this trend line or the support line, and we have noticed it to trying to break this resistance line, and it couldn't succeed in breaking it, and now it has taken support on this previous trend line or the support line. Again we are noticing the price to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. Otherwise again we are going to notice the price action to be consolidating within this resistance line or even give a breakout on the bearish side. But we already know that this is going to be a very strong support for the current price action. So for now we know that next level of resistance in 4 hours time frame is going to be this trend line or the resistance line. And since the trend line is in a bearish trend, we can expect the bearish trend to continue as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line. So if you want to take trades on the bullish side, wait for it to break this resistance line, and next level of resistance is going to be the red color resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1642 and 1615. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1615, next level of support is going to be 1600, 1584 and 1562. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1642, next level of resistance is going to be around 1658, 1672, 1686, 1705 and 1730. And as long as the price action is trading below this blue color resistance line, it will be a bearish trend, and once the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the start of the bullish side retracement for 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, we had noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side, taking support on this trend line or the support line. After giving the breakout, we have noticed the price action to take support on the next level of trend line or the support line, which is also formed as a symmetric triangle pattern. Now it has given a breakout from this support line also, and currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the 4 hours time frame trend line or support line. So if the price action trends on the bullish side also, we can expect the price action to take resistance on the previous resistance line from the hourly time frame. And only when the price action breaks this red color resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. And if doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect the consolidation to continue within this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. So now we have the hourly time frame resistance line and also the 4 hours time frame resistance line, which the price action has to break in order to start its bullish side retracement in hourly time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1631, and if the price action succeeds to break this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1636, 1642, 1650 and 1658. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level, next level of support is going to be around 1625 and 1615. And when we ask which is the strongest resistance or support level, wherever the price action is intersecting with the higher time frame support level or the resistance level, will be acting as a strong support or resistance levels. In this case, strong support will be 1615 and strong resistance will be 1642. And the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support around the support level of 1618, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And now it is trading between the resistance level of 1633 and support level of 1627. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1633, next level of resistance is going to be around 1637, 1642, 1648, 1656, 1667 and 1672. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level of 1633, wait for it to break this support line or the trend line, then next level of support is going to be around 1627, 1618 and 1615. On the bullish side also, here we have the hourly time frame resistance line, and on the bearish side we have the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line. It has to break this resistance line or the support line in order to take a directional momentum for 30 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get regular update on my analysis video.